Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about keep plus ing. Already we know a bit about this use, but we are not fluent to use this, I'm sure. Because normally we use I'll keep missing you, I'll keep updating you. It is okay, but if we talk about more than this, so we stuck or sometimes we fumble while talking. So why don't we have our practice with this? And I hope you haven't thought of trying to speak on this situation when we in Hindi or in our mother tongue we say कि बोलते ही रहोगे या कुछ बताओगे भी, नाराज ही रहोगे या फिर क्लियर भी करोगे। अच्छा, सिर्फ सोते ही रहोगे या उठोगे भी, या फिर सिर्फ बातें ही करते रहोगे या फिर मेरी हेल्प भी करोगे। सो व्हेन वी स्पीक दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, आई होप यू कैन रिलेट इट। सो हाउ वुड वी स्पीक? So we will speak like this. Would you get up? Or now keep speaking only. So would you get up now? Or keep sleeping only? Would you get up now? Now means or keep sleeping only. So we speak like this. So would you help me or keep boasting only? Would you tell me something or keep crying only? So a person he is crying and I am asking him to tell me why he is crying. I'm asking him to tell the reason. So would you tell me the reason or would you tell me something or keep crying only? Would you help me or keep boosting only? The person who is boosting and I'm asking him to just help me, don't speak so much. So would you help me or keep boosting only? Boosting means a person who speaks so much and who is always talking about his good things, like I have this thing or that thing, who is trying to exaggerate the thing. Okay. So next one, would you eat something or keep cooking only? Means the person who has been doing so long, who has been cooking for so long, and now I'm asking like, why can't you eat something? So would you eat something or keep cooking only? Would you share your problems or keep blaming me for not helping? Would you share your problems or keep blaming me for not helping? Please have your practice and create some more sentences if you can relate the situation. Would you take action or keep wasting your time? Would you keep take action? Take action means would you take a stand? Huh? Because you have been bearing or tolerating this problem so long. So I'm asking you like, would you take action or keep wasting your time only? Or keep blaming others? Okay, next one. Would you eat something or keep talking only? Would you eat something? Would you offer me something or keep talking only? So when we go to a friend's house, we can say, would you keep talking or would you keep talking or offer me something? Also, you can replace the sentence. Also, you can interchangeably use the sentence, but it is the easy form. So I would recommend you to speak like this. Would you eat something or keep talking only? Okay, I hope you'll create many more questions, many more sentences, and then you will have your practice. Normally, we use it keep plus ing, related present. For example, she keeps smiling. We keep motivating. You always keep thinking. She keeps making excuses all the time. You keep watching movies all the time. So whether we can use always, also we can use all the time. But all the time we are supposed to add at the last of the sentence. And I love using it. You keep watching movies all the time. You keep blaming me all the time. She always keeps voicing her frustration on me. She always keeps voicing her frustration. Voicing her frustration means if you are already in anger mood and I'm coming to you and now you started voicing your frustration on me for no reason. Means I was not at fault and instead, okay, you started voicing your frustration on me. That means voicing your frustration. I hope you can know this. So she always keeps gossiping about others. It is in her tendency, like she keeps doing something. She always keeps acting pricey. Acting pricey means she pretends to be special all the time. She shows a lot of attitude. So acting pricey. She keeps speaking false in others. She keeps humiliating others. You keep praising yourself. You keep motivating others. She always keeps demotivating others. We keep eating the whole night when we study. My mom keeps grumbling all the time. Grumbling is a word which means to complain in a bad way, to keep saying that you don't like it or something. So grumbling all the time. Okay, my mom keeps. So did you notice one thing when I'm using one name, he, she, or one person? So I'm using keeps plus ing. You have to do the same. Okay, she keeps doing something, he keeps doing something, my mom keeps doing something, my brother keeps dominating me like this. Okay, she keeps muttering all the time. Muttering means mumble. बड़बड़ाना धीरे धीरे से. If you are speaking slowly, because you are scared of someone and you don't want to mess with someone, but you want to go against, and you feel relaxed when you say something against. So you mumble like she is like this and she shouldn't have done like this. So we mumble, that is muttering. So she keeps muttering all the time. Next one, do you keep working the entire night? Here I'm asking question. Do you keep working the entire night? पूरी रात आप काम करते रहते हो, पूरी रात आप पढ़ाई करते रहते हो? Do you keep studying whole night? Okay. Does she keep demanding all the time? क्या वो हमेशा डिमांड करती रहती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें मांगती रहती है? Why do you keep complaining all the time? हमेशा complain क्यों करते रहते हो? Why do you keep complaining all the time? Why do you keep dominating him all the time? आप हमेशा उसे dominate क्यों करते रहते हो? Why does she keep giving excuses? वो हमेशा excuses क्यों देती रहती है? Why do you keep thinking this much? आप इतना सोचते क्यों रहते हो? Why does your mom keep scolding you all the time? And that's really true. So why does your mom keep scolding you all the time? Why do your parents? Why do your parents we will use do because parents, huh? Why do your parents keep imposing their will on you? Keep means imposing their will on you. It means if you like something and if you want me to do the same, it means you are imposing your will on me. Why do you keep imposing your will on me? All the time also we can use. Why does your big brother keep dominating you? Okay, here we didn't use keeps. Why? Because we used here does. It is a question form. Why does your big brother? So we used here does. That's why we are free to use keep here. We are not going to use keeps. Why does your big brother keep dominating you? Why does he keeps monitoring you all the time? Keeps monitoring means if that person always watch you out like what you are doing, so he keeps monitoring. Okay, so why does he keeps monitoring me all the time? Okay, he keeps monitoring me. Okay, you can speak like this, keeps monitoring. Next one, why does your sister keep burdening you with obligation? So burden with obligation, it means I'm all the time showing like I have done a lot of things for you. Okay, so also I can use show the favor. It is an easy one. Okay, it's your choice. Either you can use show the favor, also you can use burden with obligation. Why does your sister keep burdening you with obligation? Why does your sister keep showing favor to you all the time? My mom keeps yelling at us, and when we keep messing with each other means we are messing with siblings and our mom is yelling at us. So how does your mother react when you mess with your siblings? Let me know. Okay, do you know any person who keeps demotivating you? Please let me know if you have. Also you can name that person like he keeps demotivating me, he keeps demotivating me. Try to do this way you can have your practice. And now we will talk about past. Also we can use it in past, but all we have to do is only change the keep into kept. She kept calling me but I didn't answer. She kept calling me but I didn't answer. He kept explaining to me, but I couldn't understand. He kept explaining to me, but I couldn't understand. By the way, did you know or have you ever noticed like we sometimes we use I didn't answer, but I couldn't answer. So couldn't answer or didn't answer, there's a bit of difference. I didn't answer means I didn't want to answer, but I couldn't answer, it means I was compelled, or it was my compulsion or any necessity by which I couldn't receive the call, I couldn't answer the call. Okay, I couldn't means I was compelled and I was in between the work, or I was in the middle of the work, or maybe I was not available there. Okay, but I didn't receive means I was present there, I was available there, but I didn't receive the call. Okay, I hope you can understand. Next one, you kept screaming but I couldn't hear your voice. You kept screaming, you kept crying, you kept calling me but I couldn't hear your voice. You kept calling me but I couldn't attend your call. And she kept inviting me but I couldn't attend her party. She kept cooking alone but I couldn't help her. He kept giving excuses. Did she keep? Did she keep? Here we won't use kept because we are using did. It is a question form in past time. So did she keep calling you? Did she keep updating you? Did she keep? Add some word. Did she keep helping you? Why did she keep helping you all the time if you didn't help her? Speak like and add your emotions, add your questions, and add your feelings. How many words you want to add? Just have your practice with it. Why did you keep calling him if he didn't listen to you? Why did you keep giving suggestions? Why did you keep suggesting him all the time if he didn't need your suggestion? Did she eat anything or kept cooking only? Did she eat anything or kept cooking only? You are asking a person like who had been doing so long or cooking so long. Like, did he eat something or not? Did she eat something or not? So, did she eat anything or kept cooking only? Now we will talk about future. Future, normally we use future. I'll keep missing you. I'll keep respecting him. So I'll keep reminding you. I'll keep texting you. I'll keep updating you. Okay, we use it. I'll keep missing you. I'll keep practicing if it's good for me. I'll keep respecting him unless I die or till my last breath. She'll keep texting you until you reach her home. Okay, I'll keep reminding you unless you get me. She'll keep bothering you unless you complain against him or about him. Okay, he'll keep bothering you unless you complain about him. They will keep poking their nose unless you oppose. Unless you oppose, keep poking the nose means he will involve all the time. He will be involved in your matter unless you warn them or unless you oppose them. So this way we learned the use of keep perfectly, right? I hope you'll have your practice. Let me know how did you find this session. And soon I'll be getting more session, basic and advanced. Okay, thank you. Bye. I hope you enjoyed.